We are just days away from a big deadline. Have you filed your taxes yet? For those who've waited until the last minute, don't panic. We've got some advice. We're joined by Mark Stieber, Chief Tax Officer. How you doing today?
Very exciting time, but it is end game in the tax season 2025. Time to get it done.
It sure is. I can relate. That's what I was working on most recently, but I'm just about done, so feeling good. But what are your top tips for those who have waited until the last minute, those procrastinators out there? What do you tell them to help them file their tax return?
Well, there's still plenty of time, so don't panic, but do get a plan. And more importantly, at this last hour, find someone to help you out. No need to go it alone. There's plenty of capacity in the system. Lots of us out there excited to do taxes, but you do need a plan. You do need your data. You should have all that by now. So find that shoebox or envelope. Find your friendly, conveniently located, trusted, branded tax professional and take your stuff in and get your taxes done and get that refund.
What else can you give advice under this topic? What other things do you have to say? Just, like I said, we don't want to panic, but there are things you can do in advance to make things easier, to streamline things.
Well, certainly you want to get all your documents. Those should be in your possession by now, but also take a little bit of time to reflect on your year. Bigger than tax changes and all those documents are life changes. And there's a lot of them. You'll know if you had marriage or a child in your life, but taking care of dependent parents, started a side hustle, full or part-time, trading cryptocurrency. All of those can lead to both tax complications, but some potential tax benefits. So get your documents, find your pro, and review your year for tax life changes. Can also add some money to that tax refund.
And what options do taxpayers have if they do have to file later? They need more time. What do they need to do at this point?
Well, certainly recognize that the deadline is the deadline. So there's no just kick the can down the road and ignore it. You'll need to file your tax return or an extension, which is basically a small tax return because you have to do the estimate. Because here's the thing that many people overlook. An extension to file is merely that, an extension of time to turn in your paperwork. You still have to pay your balance due by tax deadline. And that usually means you got to work up some numbers and a pro forma tax return. And most people find, surprisingly so, that with a phone call or an email, they can get all of their documents and file a timely, tax return and hopefully get that refund. So long story short, if you do need extra time because you're missing a document, you can get an extension of time to file only, not pay your taxes. And a good tax pro can help you with that. And if you really owe, there are a host of options there available as well on paying over time, financing with the IRS. But most people are surprised to find that they may think they're going to owe, but after a few reviews by their tax pro, they end up getting a refund. So time is of the essence. Get to your pro, get your documents, and simply get it done, because this year is already a third over, and you'll be looking at next year with no time at all.
Yeah, and start working on next year once you do get it done. One more quick question for you, Mark. As far as deadlines go, what happens if a taxpayer does miss the deadline? We hate to, say this is the bad stuff that can happen, but sometimes it helps to know what the repercussions are.
Yeah. If you need any more motivation, know this. If you don't file on time, there's an upwards of 25% penalty for failure to file. Separate from that, there's a failure to pay penalty, another 25%. And then finally, there's an underpayment penalty if you haven't been making estimates and you've got side hustle income. So there's a lot of penalties at play and interest compounded daily, and you have to pay a pro to clean that up. So there's a lot of reasons to pay attention to the deadline, the most important of which, you may be sitting on a refund, the worst of which is there's a lot of penalties and punishments if you just ignore your filing responsibility.
And our viewers can go to jax@hewitt.com. You see the information on the screen. Mark, great information from you. We really appreciate your time today.
Good to be here. Thanks for your time.